this amazing two-bedroom apartment in the heart of the 5th district of Paris. Please take a look about the details. Definition. The flat has been recently renovated, as you can see from the paint. You can see a real parquet, which is present in all the flat. The flat is located at the last floor and it's the only apartment at the floor, which gives you an amazing calm and quietness. As you can see here, you have a sofa bed, convertible for 2 persons. Attention to the details, as a piano, as a chimney, paintings of the old style, books, magazine, table in wood, an old wardrobe. This flat is something unique in the concept. Just a few steps away from Pantheon, you have an amazing site in all Paris. On the left of the living room, you will have a fully equipped kitchen. Please take a look about everything you have. Hot plates, toaster, kettle, sink, a lot of store where you can put everything you need. Here, a dishwasher, a pretty rarity in Paris. A coffee maker, a real oven. Here you have a place to put your food and storage everything you need. To complete the pictures, you have a giant fridge.
To continue with the visit, on the right of the apartment you have a bathroom, which is composed of a toilet, a bathroom sink and a mirror. On the opposite side, the washing machine. And of course, turning around, a magnificent shower with 2 big shower heads. In this flat, you have 2 bedrooms. I will introduce you the first one. Please, come in. As you can see, once you enter, on your left, you have a big wardrobe with a mirror that you can open like this, and where you can store everything you need for your everyday life in Paris. Then, in the bedroom, you have a big bed of a very good size. Last but not least, even if the building is being unfortunately renovated these days, you can still come and appreciate the magnificent sights. First, on the back, you can see Montmartre. And a bit more on your left, you have Notre-Dame de Paris. You can also appreciate the tranquility of the Parisian streets from the 6th floor. And finally, just next to the other bedroom, you have the final bedroom. With, once you enter on your right, a chest of drawers where you can store all your belongings, a table to work on or to study whatever you need, a chimney also, very stylish, and of course, a big bed. Last but not least, once again, you can appreciate another view, so the same view as for the living room. Once again, there are some renovation, but you can still see the spirits, the Parisian roofs, and especially on the right, you can appreciate the proximity with the Pantheon.
If may I say something about this town, let me just tell you one thing about the roof of Paris. From here, everything is a possibility in reality. You know, there is a lot of several reasons why people love Paris. It's not for everyone. You must be able to embrace his spirit and his soul. When you see Montmartre like this, impossible is nothing.